Ooh. Oh, this is exciting. I hope. There might be one problem that I don't quite know about yet, but... Welcome back, guys. This is Veteran Garage. I am Bobby. Today is an awesome day. We have another project showing up. It should be here 10 minutes, I think. It's coming from Denver, Colorado. I have not seen it in person yet, just pictures of it, but I can't freaking wait to show you guys. Oh, nope. I thought that was... Oh, keep going. Yeah, I'm out here standing outside. Okay, thanks, see ya. Try it. If I have to go into the cul-de-sac, I can try to back up and see how it does. I'll watch it.
The other Hellcat.
I had to get another one! Not rolling. So the tire got slammed all the way back into the body and it's cutting the tire, so the tire won't turn. We got to jack it up. We need two of them. One on each side. That side rolls. Oh, this freaking color, man. Barely touched the freaking windshield and broke it. That's two broken Hellcat windshields now. Alright guys, this car looks amazing. All the doors are fine, everything freaking opens up. We finally got it out of the car. We figured out that the front driver tire, when it got hit, it shoved it all the way back into the frame. So right now we're going to try to get power to it so that we can maybe start it and back it into the garage. But I still want to go through the trunk, see what's back there, find all the parts and see what I've got. So let's get some power to this. Tank, new coolant tank, new radiators. I don't know what else we've got because the belt is actually off. Supercharger belt's on though. That's kind of what matters. Port so that we can pull this away from the motor. Hopefully it's okay. Well, I know the motor is okay, but I want to get all this pulled away and then put the serpentine belt back on. So that, I mean, now that I've got this tire, you can see how it was pushed against the car and it was cutting the tire right there. It was cutting through it, but once I put it on that wheel dolly, it pulled it away from it. But I'd like to get this in the garage, but we still might have to do this like we did the white car. I might have to go get the forklift. Just taking all this off so we can get this out of the way. And then we're gonna get everything pulled away. Hopefully. Okay, here's the upper radiator support. Not really much of it left. I've got another one sitting in the parts department right now. So we're gonna pick that up today. better and better by the minute. Holy crap. I should just take these parts into the dealership and be like, here, I need new ones of these. What do you think? Just bring handfuls of parts in. We're gonna cut the airbag out of the way. I'll come check it out. Look at this door.
Oh dang.
Yeah, if I try to do this with the white one, it hits right here. All right, let's cut this out of the way.
If you don't have juice in that, I'm gonna pull the freaking flatbed around and hook up jumper cables.
Yeah, that's fine. Alright, we got that out of the way. Now we'll get this steering wheel one out of the way. You need an airbag for anything?
No.
No? Look at that. She's about ready to drive again.
Super glue.
Yeah,
For the
actually,
win.
if you get super glue, a little bit more trimming, it's almost
Some
there.
Bondo,
Yeah.
some Sharpie stuff, and
Yeah.
you want to cut your.
Yeah, look at that. All the keys.
Old dadgun. It'd be cool to put the motor and drivetrain, some of the drivetrain out of that Hellcat into the Hummer.
I thought about,
Dude, that's
that's
so
a good
much
idea
work,
in the
though.
Hummer.
You'd
That
have to
would
get a
be
Jeep
lot.
tranny with a T-case and stuff.
Yeah,
That's
I
a
thought
lot of
about
work.
pulling the engine out of the white one and putting it in the Jeep.
Well, they sell kits to bolt the Hemis into them.
It's a Mopar setup.
Yeah.
So it might not be that bad.
No. Key.
I need to, I think we're gonna sell it though. Fix it up and sell it.
Anything leaking? No. No? Good.
So it just started it, and it sounds okay, but then it kind of starts to die. There's no throttle at all. I have no idea what's wrong with it. There's lights going off everywhere. I was hoping we could start this thing, it would run. We could, did it? I wonder if the voltage is just too low.
Yeah. I mean, it could be, like I said, I mean, it's Chrysler, they love low volts.
It might just be low voltage because all the park, reverse, neutral, that whole light was just flashing on the shift controller. So we're gonna let it charge for a little bit and see if it makes a difference. It might not have had enough voltage for the throttle response and for everything else. So we'll be back. Hopefully this thing works. I'm excited. Okay, that didn't turn out how I thought it was going to. I thought I was gonna start it up, drive it up the driveway. Didn't happen. Pretty much happened just like the white Hellcat from hell. I had to go get my excavator, pull it up the driveway, just like the last one. This time I only had to use one wheel dolly instead of all four. But we got it in the garage, the camera died on the way up, so I just have video footage of it just starting to come up. We're gonna start tearing off the front end so that we can get it ready and send it to the frame shop to get everything done. We got parts on order. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Appreciate you guys being here. See you on the next one.